Hello, students! The next batch for Daniel's comprehensive SQL Server Business Intelligence training program starts on May 1st. Key topics covered are 1. Data warehouse concepts, 2. SQL Server Integration Service, or SSIS, 3. SQL Server Analysis Service, or SSAS, 4. SQL Server Reporting Service, or SSRS, 5. Power BI dashboards and data visualization. Course duration is 70 hours or 7 weeks. The course fee is $600 per student. This is an instructor-led live interactive course, and recorded videos of each session will also be shared with students. The class schedule is Sunday to Thursday, 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. EST. Let us meet the trainer. Mr. Apishek, a highly qualified data engineer offering close to 16 years of rich and qualitative experience in executing full lifecycle data warehouse, DWH, and business intelligence projects for companies within several industries. Apishek is also experienced with running workshops and customized training courses in MSBI staff. Please reach out to Daniel for course details and registration information. Thank you for taking the time to review Daniel's MSBI training program. Your career is all about what you know and how well you market it. Thank you and take care.